Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the atom, subatomic particles, ions, and in ions, I'll be talking about cations and anions. Okay, let's get started. So you can see that an atom is the basic unit of matter. So what that means is if you take a small piece of cork and cut a small piece and examine it under a microscope, and then what you'll see is densely packed cells. So each one is a cell. Each one is a cell. So like there are trillions and trillions of cells that will make a small piece of cork. So these small cells are called atoms. So let's go ahead and examine what these atoms are. So atom is represented as this, with electrons revolving around the outer shell, and protons and neutrons and neutrons are inside the nucleus. This is the nucleus. So electrons are negatively charged particles that revolve around the atom in a shell, and protons are positively charged that are inside the nucleus, and neutrons are neutral charged or no charge that will stay along with the protons. So electrons are negatively charged like we previously discussed. So those are electrons are represented as E minus, E and then minus on top. Next we have protons that are positively charged, and this is how they are represented as, and neutrons no charge or neutral. So what is a stable atom? When you consider an atom, let's say we have an atom X. When do you say that this atom is in stable state? So this is an atom of X, and we have nucleus. Let's say that we have an electron at this position, though we cannot decide the exact position, but we have the electron in this shell, one electron in this shell. And if we have one proton in the nucleus, then this is considered as stable. This is considered as stable. So let's say we have 3 electrons in the outer shell and 1 proton in the inner shell. Is it possible? Let's think about it. In the end of the video, comment in the comment section. You can tell me whether this is possible. Okay, this is the question for you. How do you determine if an atom is stable or not? By checking the number of electrons and protons. But is this stable? Is this atom, can this atom have 3 electrons and 1 proton? And can this be stable? Is it stable or unstable? Okay, next we'll move on to ion. What is an ion? If an atom's number of electrons is not equivalent to number of protons, this is considered as ions. So there are 2 types of ions. One is cation, which is positive charge. One is anion, negative charge. So we'll discuss more about what are cations and anions in the next video. And thank you so much for watching my video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.